Hey guys, today we're going to learn how to delete videos on TikTok without losing likes. And if you watch this video, I'm going to teach you guys in a very simpler way on how to delete videos on TikTok without losing likes. And I don't want to be the body of bad news, but as of my last update, TikTok doesn't offer any direct way to delete a video without losing its likes. However, the simple workaround that we can try is downloading the video, where we're going to press on the share icon. From the sharing options, we're going to select save video or download. Then we're going to re-upload the video as a NIN. This time you'll have the opportunity to adjust any details or captions if needed. From there, we're going to edit the description, and since the likes are tied to a specific videos, deleting the original video will remove its likes. However, when you try uploading the video that you have already downloaded, you've edited the description, and after you've uploaded the video, might like the re-uploaded version as well, potentially helping you retain some likes. Keep in mind that this method won't guarantee retaining all the likes from the original video, but it can help maintaining engagement with your content. Additionally, it's always a good idea to inform your followers of any changes on reposts to maintain transparency here. And thank you guys for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe if it did help, and I'll see you guys on the next video.